Prime Minister Narendra Modi commissioned 3 frontline naval combatants INS Surat, INS Nilgiri and INS Bakshi at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai today. President Draupadi Murmu extended greetings to Army personnel and veterans on Army Day. The centre has approved the creation of 2 new reserve battalions of the Central Industrial Security Force, taking the total number of battalions from 13 to 15. Textile Minister Giriraj Singh highlighted the Make in India initiative as a proven strategy driving India's emergence as a competitive manufacturing hub. In the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025, India registered a splendid start to the tournament with both men's and women's teams registering massive wins yesterday in New Delhi.